Got our Motordyne art pipes. This is so cool. Look at this. This is the Helmholtz muffler. So basically it's just straight pipe test pipes with Helmholtz muffler chambers on the side to really deaden that drone. Wow guys, we actually got the whole setup now.
So, what are you trying to do?
We're gonna melt it. You have sunglasses? You're gonna get some
For customer safety.
customer safety.
I'm not gonna know. I think you should. Slight tint. Let's go! Come on! You got it!
We're good!
We're good!
It's ready.
Alright!
Alright!
That worked out perfectly!
One of those, so that was the first time I poked. Dude, no lie, when I was like 18, I was young and dumb. Came home with my girlfriend and she pissed me off so much. And I was in an apartment complex and they have those things in the cases. And I just walked by and punched it. Not thinking that it was going to come flying off the thing and the extinguisher came out downstairs and just blew.
Oh shit! Yeah, just about like 630.
My girlfriend has him on the DE, the small motor. She paid like $6 something for him too. So same thing as the other ones. You're gonna use the one existing gasket.
Yeah, I got them saved over there.
No, you can use the Motordyne ones that usually. No, the existing bolt, I mean. You know how the one stud's up there? Being the thing? Yeah.
Are they not that good at gaskets?
Not as good. The OEM
Really?
ones are better, yeah.
Really?
Because what happens is this
They
gasket,
look kind of flimsy.
This gasket is
They're multi-layered.
they're a bunch of layers and they blow apart. And the other ones are made of solid metal. They work better. These are good though. This is
The O-rings?
This is an O-ring crush gasket. Yeah, these are fucking
The shit.
yeah.
Good?
Got it? Yeah.
Oh, damn. That's it?
Well, we're gonna put the O2 sensors in.
Oh. That's it? Holy shit. Ah, taste it. Oh my fucking god! What the
Watch out! It's fucking.
Yo, thank you. Straight up.
Alright, let's go spray. Let's go spray with some water and spray it down. Here, hold that. I'll glue it back on. He's like, shit.
Yeah.
Definitely got more of like a growl. Than
Yeah, it's throaty.
Yeah.
You can't even tell at idle neither.
No, it sounds.
Yeah, that's how all Motordyne is.
You just can't hear it.
Yeah, at idle, you'll never, like, Motordyne's always like that.
So that's the difference. I've seen people try and like make their own Motordyne exhaust.
They do. There was a couple people that have tried to make
Like they'll just get like bits and pieces. Like they'll get like a Borla mid muffler and like.
Yeah, I've seen other people. Borla has Motordyne has a really distinct sound because of the way that those resonators are welded onto the exhaust. Because it actually just changes the tone because.
Oh, I'm about to shit myself. This is amazing.
Hit that
Oh
off.
my god. I drive with traction control off. Is that? That's not bad, right?
Oh, that's fine. We all do, right?
Yeah. I could feel the response. That's insane. Alright.
Here she is.
Oh my god! Oh shit! Dude, I'm convinced. Dude, you're a fucking wizard.
Real difference with the test pipe, right? The sound and everything.
dude. This is fucking awesome. I'm
really-
shaking, dude, with how.
That's nothing. Wait till it's supercharged.
Right? You can feel. I can't wait for the torque. That's what I can't wait for.
Your
'Cause,
torque is
dude,
gonna be intense.
I love breaking loose the wheels. That's just my favorite thing to do. And like this car kind of doesn't have enough torque to do that yet. Like I still
Oh, it
can,
will.
like around corners and shit.
It will.
You see what I mean? Like I still can. God, dude, I could, dude, 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 dude. Yeah. Guys, I can smell the exhaust gas coming from this car. We finally got our Motordyne arc pipes installed on the Infiniti Q50. If you guys want to see more from this car, please put it down in the comment section below. There's definitely a lot more coming with this, and we haven't even touched the engine yet. Guys, I'm so excited for this. We finally got the full Motordyne exhaust. I'm gonna get some videos of me doing some flybys, but for the time being, guys, that's really it. I'm gonna enjoy my arc pipes for the time being, my full Motordyne exhaust. Dude, this thing sounds beautiful. I can't wait to see what's gonna come out of it. But for right now, that's gonna be it, guys. I'm Double R. This is my brand new Q50, and I'm out.